this is Double R from Double R Bladesmithing, Machine, Fabrication, Farming, Babysitting, and Small Engine Repair. I'm just kidding, we don't do small engines. Today we are going to attempt to make some Damascus. I've made Damascus before out of boughten steel, 1095 and 15N20, that turned out really well. Today I'm going to try to use bandsaw blades and banding. So let me kind of walk you through and show you what's going on.
Alright, what we have here, this is the banding, or the bandsaw material, I'm sorry, that I'm going to be using today off an industrial bandsaw. Cut it up into 4-inch long pieces. Okay, then this is the banding material. I bought a big box of banding for $30. It had 1,000 feet in it or something like that, so ought to be able to make a lot of knives if this works out. I'm going to alternate. Let's see here. I'm going to alternate these pieces, so it'll be saw blade, then banding, then saw blade, and then on the outside of them I've got some I don't know if you guys know it, this is L6. It came off of a big bandsaw, and before I started getting into forging I used to do material removal knives, and this is the stuff I used for it. It's really tough, makes a really good knife. So I guess I'll get them stacked up and get them welded together. Of the materials, other than the two outside layers of L6, I just ground the side that would be facing inside. And now I'm just going to stack them up. And do L6, then banding, and then the bandsaw blade material. Then I'll just do another piece of banding and alternate that. This should have about 27 layers when it's all said and done. Alright, so I got the coal forge going, a little smoky, get that with coal. I got one of my billets in there and I'm bringing it up to temperature. So I always try to forge weld on the anvil. I have better luck that way, it seems like. As far as my flux goes, I'm using 20 Mule Team Borax. Don't dip your chips in that. That's really not Tostitos. So let's get it up to temperature. I'll wire brush it, flux it, throw it back into the forge, get it up to temperature, and then we'll try to forge weld. I usually try to forge weld about 3 times, and hopefully it holds after that, and then we can draw it out. You don't want to actually smack it really hard, it won't stick together. Not that I'm an expert at getting welds to stick. It's just what I heard. So I'm going to reflux it again.
Do that 2 more times. All right, so that was 3 times on forge welding it. I fluxed it again. I tend to flux probably more than I should. I always put flux on almost, at least till I'm 100% sure it's welded. But I'll move over to the power hammer next time, and I'll get you set up in there, and we'll see that. All right, so I got 1 billet out of the 3 welded together and drawn out a little bit. I was wanting to get it drawn out more and thinner, and unfortunately my motor on my tire hammer went out. My tire hammer, I built it a month ago. Doesn't have any hours on it, and that is the second 1 horsepower motor I have went through. So I guess we're done for the day. I'll let you look at it. Started out about 4 inches long, so it's at least double that now. Like I said, I was wanting to draw it out thinner. Power hammer motor issues has stopped me from doing that. I've got a press I could use. It's homemade press. It's extremely slow, so I am not going to do that. I might spend my time returning a motor. That being said, this is my first YouTube video, as you guys will probably be able to tell from the editing and video quality. I don't have a fancy camera or anything. If you guys are interested in getting into knife making, I'll have to give a shout out to Walter Sorrells. He's got a YouTube channel, and I will say that when I started to get into actual blade smithing part of it, just not material removal, I watched a lot of his videos, and they were very informative. So you guys might want to check him out as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully I will put out another video soon, and maybe we can make this into a knife, or maybe get the other 2 billets forge welded up. So have a good day. Thanks for watching, guys.